In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Xero runtime error issues quickly and safely. If you've been trying to log into Xero or load a page and you're suddenly hit with a runtime error, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be resolved in just a few minutes. I'll walk you step by step through the exact fixes that work in 2026. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes and guides. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is reset the session properly. If the runtime error just appeared, stop clicking immediately. A lot of people make the mistake of repeatedly clicking the same button that triggered the error. When you do that, it can actually extend a temporary server-side lockout. So take your hands off the mouse and wait about 1 full minute. This gives Xero servers time to clear any stuck request or temporary hiccup. After waiting, refresh the page. If you're on Windows, press F5. If you're on a Mac, press Command+R. In many cases, this simple reset fixes the runtime error instantly. If the error is still there, move on to step 2, which is using Incognito mode. Open a new Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+N. On Mac, press Command+Shift+N. This opens a clean browser session without stored cache or extensions interfering. Now, instead of using a bookmark, manually type login.xero.com into the address bar and press Enter. Avoid clicking old saved links because sometimes outdated bookmarks can trigger errors. Try logging in again from this clean session. If it works here, the issue is likely related to your browser cache or cookies. That brings us to step 3, which is clearing Xero cookies specifically. In your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, then find Cookies and Site Data. Choose the option that says Manage On-Device Site Data. In the search bar, type xero.com. You'll see entries related to Xero. Click the trash or bin icon next to every entry for xero.com to remove them completely. This clears corrupted session data that often causes runtime errors. Once deleted, close your browser fully, reopen it, and then go directly to login.xero.com and sign in again. If you're still experiencing issues, step 4 is extremely important and often overlooked. Sync your system clock. Xero has strict security checks, and if your computer's time is off by more than 2 minutes, it can trigger runtime or login errors. On Windows, right-click the time and date in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Select Adjust Date and Time. Then click the Sync Now button to automatically synchronize your clock. On Mac, go to System Settings, select General, then Date and Time, and enable automatic time syncing. After syncing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Finally, step 5 is to check Xero's current system status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. Xero may be experiencing temporary outages or scheduled maintenance. Visit the official Xero status page and check for any reported incidents or upcoming maintenance notifications. If there's a service disruption, you may simply need to wait until Xero resolves it. So to quickly recap, stop clicking and wait 1 minute. Refresh the page, try logging in through Incognito mode. Clear all Xero cookies, sync your system clock, and check Xero system status. One of these steps will resolve the vast majority of Xero runtime errors. And that's how you fix Xero runtime error problems step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.